Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Toyota Tacoma, the TRD off-road package. See, this one is the V6. It's running smooth. I'll go ahead and take it for a tour. There's a beefy hood on this thing. It does have the LED headlight surrounds, fog lights, painted alloy wheels. This one also has steps on the Nerf bars. Trailer receiver for towing, and then it does have a rust-proof bed, power sliding back window. So it does have a leather interior. Go ahead and give you a shot of that vent. Okay, try to help you to be able to see this. There we go. So you look down, you see that this vehicle only has 3,400 miles on it. Here's going to be your volume, push to talk, your lane departure sensor, and your infotainment and dash controls are right here on the steering wheel. Super convenient. It also has navigation. We're going to go ahead and turn this down a little bit for your comfort controls. While down here, you'll notice that it does have heated front seats. So, here's your blind spot monitor and your controls for your rear window. You also have USB and other additional power supplies and such down here. For your menu of your audio, you do have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. Then you do have the full screen available for your navigation. Then you have other apps. Okay, as we come down here, you got your glove compartment, phone charging station, and cup holders, shifter, and you've got your handbrake, additional cup holder, your key fob, which brings me to the point that it is indeed a push button start. As you come over here, you're going to have additional stowage in there. And then up top you have your traction controls and also your sunroof controls. So that about wraps it up for this Toyota on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact that had damage from there to the passenger's rear quarter panel. The airbags is not deployed. There was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.